All right, guys. My TSX, I let my mom borrow it because her AC is having some problems. So I'm gonna, fix that. But today, what I'm gonna be showing you guys is how to change the light bulb on a Honda Civic 2005. So basically, you already see me unscrew this part right here. It's got a flat head. See me unscrew it. Take this part, and it's gonna be the top. The top light is the brake light. So you wanna, just kind of twist it counterclockwise. Comes out, and this has a clip. It's got a clip right here. You press down on it, and this comes out. All right, so you can see the lights burnt out. Just pull that out, and you get the replacement. Put it back in. So I wouldn't recommend to connect it right away because you got to fumble and jiggle it and all that stuff. But as you can see, it has like, little tabs. You just look at the inside here, and you match those up. So once you do that, it clicks into place by turning it clockwise, and just clip this back into place. Put this back all together. Of course, it's one of these, and it lines up with the little hole right there. Put it in there. Get this thing in, screw it in. Which I find with these clips is a lot better than the ones you got to pop out. They break a lot less. Alright, it's that simple. My assistant's gonna hand me the phone, and we're gonna see if it works. We'll step on the brake real quick, please. Assistant. Assistant. My assistant's taking a little long. It's alright. Boom. Problem fixed. Now you don't get a ticket, for driving with a light bulb burnt out, you know what I'm saying? And that's that.